Hey, this is Jay, the pool pump repair guy. If you got a pool and you got a motor and the motor's not working right, you got to give it off for service. And sometimes you got fancy pumps, and all you need to keep your pool from going green is have a submersible pump. You get these at Harbor Freight for about $60, and all you do with these is you just, in the shallow part of the pool, you put these in the water. No plumbings, no nothing, just plug it in, and now your water's moving. And if your water's moving, it's not going to go green. So if you got a pump that looks kind of like this, or this, which my favorite pumps were these ones to stay right, or one of these, or a Hayward, or this is called a Pentair Whisper Flow. They made a Super Flow and a Whisper Flow. I'm not a big fan of these ones. Anyhow, you just put them in the shell of the pool. No plumbing, no nothing. Just plug it in, and it keeps the water moving. Because if you don't have water moving, it's going to go green, and you're going to be all bummed out because you didn't know better how to do this. Well, enjoy. Hope it helps you.